everyone, today I have another squishy package opening, and this is a really nice and great exciting package because it's a completely Ibloom squishy package. So in here I purchased 2 Ibloom squishies, and oh my goodness, even the packaging smells so good. So there were no extras or notes in here, but just the 2 squishies. And this was from an Instagram seller. And now moving on to these squishies, which I purchased, was this one and this one. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited to have these because I've been wanting these for a while now, and they're Ibloom. I mean, who doesn't want Ibloom squishies, right? I mean, not that it's a necessity, but it's super happy and exciting to have 2 of these actually. So they're bigger than I thought they would be, and it is true that they smell like peaches. So I'll just go ahead and start reviewing the first one, which is the Ibloom Tinker with the little pink bumps on his head, which is called the mosquito one, I believe. So here's how the back of the packaging looks like, which I'm assuming you've seen a dozen billion times. But just want to show it as a full view of the package itself. It says "Do not eat," which is really funny. And here's the front view of the package with all the cute little tankers on it. And if anyone knows what this says, please let me know because I cannot understand what it says. But it's so cute. See that? It's so adorable. And here's a little kitty cat, which I want because he's so huge and squishy. But at least I have these 2. I'm going to go ahead and open it, give it a full view, and a squish test. So here he is. Oh, that face is so cute. Oh my goodness, it is so squishy. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I just died. Sorry for my weird awkwardness and excitement, but I just can't contain myself because it's so squishy. Now let's see from the side. Oh my goodness. Ah, it's amazing. Well, anyway, here's the back view of it. The top, the face of course, and the little tinker wheel sides. So that is so squishy. Wow, that is amazing. Super glad I finally have these. Oh, thank you so much. And then this is Jane the Tinker, and of course the same cute packaging. And the back. And let's go ahead and test her out. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. So here she is. I love her beautiful blue eyes, and her eyelashes are so feminine. Here's a little side view of her wheels. And the bottom. Which is not really focusing, but it says from iClap right there. Give her a squish now. Oh, so lovely. Oh my goodness. Oh, that feels so good. It's so slow rising. That is amazing. These Ibloom tankers are amazing. So good. It feels so good to squish because they're just so soft. Wow. I'm super happy with this package. But that's all I have to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching and listening and watching to my awkward reaction to this Ibloom squishy package. I hope you definitely enjoyed, and I will just speak to you in my next video. Bye!